Hello world, my name is Israel. This material will cover an outline of the structure of reasoning. We begin with a quote from Aristotle. Now, reasoning is an argument in which certain things being laid down, something other than these necessarily comes about through them. The exposition here is from the treatise on dialectic. Aristotle's exposition focuses on premises A of reasoning AB. The form here is that of syllogism, reasoning from A to B. Aristotle's analysis and classification focuses on the premises of the syllogistic form. First form. Reasoning from A to B is demonstration when A is true and primary, or derived from premises which are true and primary. Definition. Things are true and primary which are believed not on the strength of anything else but of themselves. A fundamental example being the principles of a science or a techne. Second form. Reasoning from A to B is dialectical when A is generally accepted or derived from premises which are generally accepted. Definition. Those opinions are generally accepted which are accepted by everyone, or by the majority, or by the philosophers. Third form. Reasoning from A to B is contentious if A seems to be generally accepted but is not so, or if reasoning from A to B seems to reason from opinions which are or are not generally accepted, but does not. Aristotle says that the former of these uses genuine reasoning, and the latter forms use apparent reasoning. And the latter forms belong most properly to contentious reasoning, which is different from reasoning itself. So there's a dual definition at work here. There's contentious as all three forms, and there's contentious as the forms which use apparent reasoning rather than genuine reasoning. The fourth form of reasoning from A to B is misreasoning, that starts from premises peculiar to the special sciences. One example is given. In geometry and her sister sciences, the man who draws a false figure reasons from A, where A is neither true nor primary, and neither is nor appears to be generally accepted. The general form here seems to be a genuine application of the principles of a techne from some starting point which is false. I find it difficult to come up with other examples. This is really interesting. So these are the four forms of reasoning and dialectic.